Sorry, my daddy. Let me get you some water.
Thank you, my daughter. Don't mind, I'm now okay.
I'm happy for that, my daddy. My joyous word. Daddy, please tell me some advice.
My daughter, never reveal your plans to the world. When you build in silence, they won't know what to attack. So never expose your plans to the world, because 90% of people doesn't want your achievement. So my daughter, build silence and your action will speak to the world whom you are.
Oh, my daddy, thank you very much. That's why I love you. Please and please